Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Sophia Suhail is here. In this video, I will try to explain about addition and subtraction in complex numbers. Okay, in complex number, already we know that there are two parts. That this is called the real part, and this is called the imaginary part. Imaginary part. So when we are adding or subtracting, okay, we can add real part to real part and imaginary part to imaginary part. In the linear form, if we are writing a plus b, it means the value of a will be written first plus value of b will be written at the second place. So open the bracket, a plus I, b plus c plus iota d. So A and C are like terms, so they will be solved together, and B and D are like terms, so they will be solved together. So it will become A plus C, and from here IB, iota B plus iota D. So this can be separated as the real part, and iota common, this can be as the imaginary part. So again A plus B will have this as the real part and this as the imaginary part. Okay, same in the form we can do the subtraction also. If I am doing subtraction of the same question, then how I will continue? Same way, iota b minus c minus plus minus iota d. Now a minus c and plus iota, if I take common, b and minus d will be there in the same way. Again, this is the real part and this is the imaginary part of this resulting complex number. After this, let's solve a few examples related to this topic in which there are different numbers. So mostly I am taking from class 9th science, which is being taught in Pakistan. The first part, this is taken from, I am taking the example from exercise 2.6, question number 2. The first part is being explaining here 2 plus 3 iota, and they are adding in that 7 minus 2 iota. Only just open the bracket, plus minus minus 2 iota. After opening the bracket, collect the like terms, real to real, imaginary to imaginary. So 2 plus 7 and plus 3 iota minus 2 iota. 2 plus 7 become 9 and plus 3 minus 2 become 1 iota. 1 no need to write. So this is explained in the form of a plus iota b, in which here a equals to 9 and b equals to 1. It is expressed in the form of the complex number. Okay, let's take another example. Question number 2, say second part, 2 times 5 plus 4 iota minus 3 times 7 plus 4 iota. So open the bracket, the normal scalar number will be multiplied inside the bracket like the normal multiplication is doing in the other parts. 2 times 5 10 plus 2 times 4 8 iota minus 3 7s are 21 minus plus minus 3 4s are 12 iota. Collect the like terms, constant to constants. 10 minus 21 minus 11. And imaginary to imaginary, 12 minus 8, 4 iota, sign of minus will be used. So here a equals to minus 11 real part and b equals to minus 4 imaginary part. So it is being shown in the form of a plus b iota. Third part in the same question is being that if minus sign is outside, minus 3 plus 5 iota and minus 4 plus 9 iota. How to solve this part? Open the bracket, minus minus plus 3. Minus plus multiply to give you minus 5 iota. Minus 4 minus plus minus 9 iota. Add real part to real part. 3 minus 4, you will get the answer minus 1, because opposite integers always subtract and sign of the bigger digit will be used. Iota to iota, same sign, always digits add. 9 plus 5 14, sign remains same, iota. And here a equals to minus 1 means real part, because standard form we are using a plus iota b or a plus b iota. So this is the real part a, and b imaginary part is minus 14 here. Hopefully you understand the addition and subtraction in this part. There is one more question, one more part in this question, which is 2 iota square plus 6 iota cube plus 3 iota 16 minus 6 iota 19 plus 4 iota 25. Most of the times our students are getting confused in this part because the iota have bigger powers. So we have to shift iota in the power 1 or squares. Okay, so if it is already in the square, we must keep in mind that iota square is equal to minus 1. So this formation we have to make in every higher power. 2 times iota square directly change to minus 1 plus 6. Iota 3 means iota square and iota make separate plus 3. Iota 16. So 16 is 2 8s are 16. So iota square power 8. 2 8s are 16. Minus 6 iota 19. So change it into the even power, that is iota 18 and iota 1. Okay, plus 4 iota 25, again change it into the even power, 24 and iota 1. In the next step, 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 6 iota square will take the value minus 1, this iota will stay as it is, plus 3 iota square will have minus 1 value, 8th power, minus 6 iota 18 can be written as iota square power 9 into iota, plus 4 iota 24 is changed as iota square power 12 and then iota inside. Now first term is solved already. This is minus 6 iota 6 minus plus minus 6 ones are 6 iota plus 3 minus 1 power 8. When the exponent is even number, minus will become plus 1, any number of power will remain as it is, minus 6 iota square change to minus 1 and its power is 9 and iota is there, plus 4 iota square minus 1 power 12 and iota is here. Okay, after this minus 2 minus 6 iota plus 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 3 ones are 3 minus 6 minus 1 half odd power. Odd power will keep this minus sign as it is and 1/9 power will become 1 only, will remain 1, plus 4 minus power even number, it means minus will change to plus and 1 power 12 will remain as 1 into iota. Now they are becoming the like terms, 3 minus 2 1. We will solve minus 6 iota minus minus plus 6 iota and plus plus 4 ones are 4 iota. Okay, so I just write down this term, I solve this term as this and I solve this term. After this, they are totally same, opposite sign, we will cancel 1 plus 4 iota. So it is written in the a plus b iota form in which a is equal to 1 and b equal to 4. Like this you can solve the question which is being given with the any higher power of iota. So make it simple and bring it to the iota square or iota power 1. After that replace iota squares with minus 1 and you will multiply the coefficients together and solve the question like in the same way. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.